What is air pollution?
Air pollution causes many health and environmental problems. Around the world, the air we breathe can be contaminated with a variety of pollutants.
Air pollution is a condition in which the quality of air is degraded due to the presence of harmful substances, particulate matter, and biological agents. There are many point and non-point sources of air pollution. The degree of air pollution in an area depends on several factors such as source of pollution, rate of emission, wind, and the topography or location. Point sources are those which are readily identified and are stationary, such as factory smokestacks. Non-point sources are not easily identified as they are diffused and may not be constantly emitting pollutants like cars.
Primary pollutants are substances released directly into the air by point and non-point sources. These pollutants include carbon monoxide, smokestacks of factories or tailpipes of vehicles, sulfur dioxide, volcanic emissions, oxides of nitrogen.
Secondary pollutants are those formed from the chemical reactions of primary pollutants and other substances. They may be more harmful than primary pollutants.
Common causes of outdoor pollution: 1. Combustion of fossil fuels. 2. Airborne pathogens. 3. Particulate matter. 4. Petrochemical smog. 5. Ozone depletion. 6. Acid deposition.
Air pollution carries significant risk to human health, and children are particularly vulnerable. The invisible pollutants inside our buildings can lead to much higher pollution levels. However, work by Ishan Tripathi, a high school student and in the class of MIT 2023, and Joseph Lequatre of Cornell University, seeks to draw attention to the risk of indoor air pollution to children's health. Indoor air pollution affects adults and children differently. Children spend most of their time indoors in the child breathing zone, an area defined as being up to 1 meter from the floor. This means that seemingly harmless activities in the home, such as laying carpets or painting rooms, can have a different impact on children and thus cause serious health issues. Current ventilation systems work on the assumption of equal distribution of pollutants. Through their research, Tripathi and Lequatre have shown that different pollutants can occur in different layers in the air. They also found that when pollutants such as dust are disturbed, they can be resuspended in the air. The health problems caused by indoor air pollution are severe, but also avoidable. One of the best methods of prevention is proper ventilation. When combined with greater awareness and understanding of the risks, these simple measures are sufficient enough to help reduce risk to children of exposure to indoor air pollutants.
Air pollution. It lurks all around us, preying on the young and old. It slips unnoticed past your defenses and assaults your lungs, heart, and brain. Its deadliest weapons are invisible, poisonous particles that can be as small as a molecule. With every breath, they break through your lungs' protective barriers. There, they trigger inflammation as your system tries desperately to fight back. But these tiny intruders penetrate those defenses, lodging toxic compounds even deeper, sowing the seeds of cancer. They slide straight into your bloodstream, sabotaging your entire body. They inflame and constrict your blood vessels, increasing blood pressure until, one day, causing a stroke. The particle prowlers dislodge fatty plaque that may have built up from your diet. They weave clots that can be deadly blockers of blood flow to your heart or brain. With each new case of heart attack, stroke, lung disease, or cancer, air pollution adds another life to its hit list. Let's stop this invisible killer.